I'm Nisha Siripurapu, and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Well, there's a very popular saying in England that whiter is your bread, sooner are you dead, and it makes so much of sense. Well, keeping that beautiful thought in my mind, I shot this today's video, and my today's recipe is Pathagobhi ka paratha, or cabbage paratha as you may call it. Well, if you're suffering from diabetes, then definitely it's not any death sentence. But yes, you have to do a lot of lifestyle changes, and you have to unlearn your old eating habits and relearn and develop new ones. So keeping that thing in mind, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to my channel and if you're keen on learning healthy quick fix recipes, then please do check out my channel and do follow me on my Facebook page also by the same name. I'll see you very soon with yet another healthy recipe. Till then, keep exercising, keep fit. Thank you so very much.